Do you need access control system for your business? Houston Access Control Systems Installation Company got you covered. We can help you with design, permits, installation, and service. Modernize your company and save money with our cloud access control and mobile pass solution. You like it simple, and we make it simple. Call our security experts and we will go to your office. Nexlar is trusted by the following companies. The benefits of having Nexlar are the following: restrict unauthorized entry, overall security enhancement, and many more. Many pharmacies and laboratories use iris recognition access control to open the door hand-free. Nexlar Security's team of experts can manage how and when your building can be accessed, allowing you to focus on business. Selecting a licensed company with excellent customer service and friendly service, Nexlar will help you. Visit our website to know more. Directions that matter. Choose Nexlar.